Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about something that's an ever-moving target, and that is the materials that we work with on a day-to-day basis. As client and designer demands constantly change, it's then put the pressure back on the manufacturers to be able to work with these materials and create all of these great products that step the industry forward. So here at Panel Tools, we've noticed this in the industry, and so we've brought on a new range of tooling that feeds into 4 different categories, and that is woods, plastics, composites and metals. And I just want to take you through today some of these different tools and what they do. Plastics is a very broad group of materials. It's anything with a polymer base, anything from foams, compact laminates, acrylics, or corian is a type of plastic. For instance, take this cutter. This is a foam cutter for EVA foam. It has a low helix angle, polished flutes, which allows it to cut through the material without tearing out or the plastic melting to the edge. A composite is a combination of 2 or more distinct materials to achieve certain properties that cannot be met by standard alloys, ceramics or polymeric materials. It generally has a series of layers in the form of hardened particles, fibres or structures with a soft or flexible core. The composites that we are most excited about in the cabinet making industry is structural composites in the form of sandwich panels. Modern manufacturers are constantly looking for materials that are strong, lightweight, cost-effective and visually appealing to fulfill their increasingly ambitious designs. Composite makes this possible by allowing the designer to handpick the materials with the best properties and combine them. Particularly used in aerospace and megastructures, composite materials such as honeycomb core sandwich panels, S-flute panels, steel foam sandwich panels, not to mention fiberglass, carbon fibre and magnetic sandwich panels can be used in applications that would exceed the capabilities of standard materials. This cutter here is a burr tool, and it has a DLC coating and fine pointed tips which allows it to cut through fiberglass. The wood category is made up of cutters for natural and engineered wood products such as solid timber, MDF, chipboard, plywood. All of these are probably the most prevalent materials used in joinery. The metals category includes mostly cutters for aluminium sheet and aluminium composite panel. This cutter has a DLC coating and a polished O-flute which allows it to machine thin sheets of aluminium dry or with minimal coolant.